Hello fourth graders and welcome to your video 7.2.2 Solutions for Cluster Problems. I want you to open up into your Math Student Activity Book to page 461 and we're going to look at some different ways to solve the Set A problem 37 times 52. So go ahead and open your workbooks to that page right now. So let's talk about Set A, and the problem that we want to solve is 37 times 52. And I have shared two different ways that students have solved it using cluster problems. So let's focus on Jack first. So Jack says, I use 30 times 50 because that equals 1,500. And then I did 7 times 50, which equals 350, because that's really easy for me to multiply by 50s. Because to me, it's like multiplying by 5s. Then all I needed to do was the 2 37s, so 37 times 2. And that's easy for me too, because it's 37 plus 37, which equals 74. Then I added 1,500 plus 350 plus 74, and that equals 1,924. Now that's one way that you could use cluster problems to solve the 37 times 52. Okay? But let's look at how Noah decided to work out his problems. So Noah's way of thinking was he did 3 times 52 because that seemed like an easy, friendly problem that he could do. And that equals 156. And you may be saying, why did he do 3 times 52? Well, he knew by doing 3 times 52 and getting the answer of 156 that he could then do 30. See, it had been multiplied by 10, 30 times 52, and that would give him 1,560 because it's just 10 times more. Then all I had left to do was the 7 times 52. And so 7 times 52 is 364. So then I added 1,560 to 364, and that gave me the answer of 1,924. Now, you may have decided to do it a completely different strategy. But remember, when you are using cluster problems to do these harder multiplication problems, you must always understand why you're doing what you're doing. How is it going to get you to the final answer? You also must be able to explain your reasoning of why you did what you did and not get lost in what you're doing. But the final thing is whatever strategy you choose, you want to make sure that you can do it fluently. Meaning it's not going to take you a long time to come up with the answer. Fluently means that you're able to do it quickly and you're able to do it correctly. All right, fourth graders, that's all for now. See you soon.